Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to add and use the audio block inside Grigora. The audio block allows you to upload and play sound files directly on their website, which is useful for podcasts, voice guides, music, or any audio content. To get started, open your Grigora site editor. Once you are in the editor, go to the Add Elements panel on the left side. In the search bar, type Audio. And now drag and drop the audio block into your page where you want the player to appear. As soon as you drop it, you will see an empty audio player placeholder asking you to add a file. Click on the Upload or Select option and choose the audio file you want to use from your device or a media library. After the audio file is uploaded, you will see the player preview, and you can now customize its behavior using the settings. If you enable Muted, the audio will start with the sound turned off, and the user can unmute it manually. Turning on Loop will make the audio repeat automatically after it finishes, which is helpful for background tracks or ambient sounds. The Download toggle lets visitors download the audio file directly from the player if you want to provide offline access. Playback rate allows you to control the default speed of the audio, so you can slow it down or speed it up depending on your content. With the Width option, you can set how wide the audio player should appear inside its container. Using alignment, you can position the player to the left, center, or right within the section for better visual balance. Once you are happy with the settings, save and publish your website from the editor. After publishing, open your live website and scroll to the section where you added the audio block to confirm it is visible and working correctly. And that's how you add and use the audio block in Grigora. See you in the next one.